Oh, yeah.
Bro, oh my God, bro.
Bro, eat.
Oh.
I tried a little loop knot right here, no?
Nah, you're good. You're actually just walking through and then just hit it with slack, you know. I don't worry about the loop knot coming through here. It's gonna be all trashed up where I don't even know if it's gonna make a difference. That one.
Oh, yeah.
Spinner bait. That was fast.
Spinner?
Spinner bait,
Ooh.
Do this, baby.
Yeah. That's like a
Kings River
bro.
fishing. Have not been here in 10 years. Didn't take too long to get on one.
Oh, yeah, that's like 3 and some change.
Easy, huh?
Yeah,
Easy
yeah.
3 and some change. Woo!
Yeah, on the spinner. Bro, I'm about to put it. No, I ain't got it.
Bro, I missed them, bro. Hooked them on the outside. Yeah, bud. We're right on this little bend too, bro. Look, work the edges, bro. We're getting on something, bro. Just knowing that's what came out on the first fish. We're gonna catch some frogfish. At least we're in the area we know there was fish. And remember, that was a channel swing up by eye. So that bite right there definitely looked like it came from a channel swing. Big grass mat next to it. Let's see if we can replicate that. It's only one bite, but it's a start. And it was a pretty good start for a clue in the beginning. Trying to find those little soft spots where there's, you know, the object of water displacement. Trying to, oh, got him. Saw that one come out and hit it, bro. No, spinnerbait. If we came out from up that way, I was like, watch them hit in the sun, bro. I hope it got on camera. That's badass. Bro, and he freaking missed it like the last one. Look, what the hell? Wrong color, bro. Put the green one on. Put the chartreuse one on. Yeah, chartreuse spinner, bro. Trust me. And we on them. We on them. Ooh. Got him.
You going?
He's all right. Looks decent. It's work, baby. It's work. Come on, if I run in. Go ahead, bro. Give it a go. Oh, yeah. Bro. Here, go ahead. Get up there. Your turn, dog. Run the stretch. No. Get on it, bro. Just sit down. Run the stretch. Woo! Another solid 2.25, 2.5. Yup. Wow, bro. Fucking wow. It's about to be a day out here. Bro, I ain't even have time to post number 2. This is number 3, baby. Bro, you could use that in the same places, though. That's what I'm trying to tell you. Got him, bro. Another one. You think I'm playing, bro? Another one, bro. Bro, this one's better too, I think. Bro, this one's better too, I think. Oh my God, dude. That was quick. Oh my God, back to back. That's, bro. Dude, like 5 pounds. Yeah, bro. Can you grab it? I can't get it, bro. I can't get it.
Bro, you're gonna lean back, you know what I mean? What? Lean back, you good, I got you.
Bro, oh my God, dude. Hold on.
You're good, just fight. Oh yeah, that's a good one.
I was trying to tell you, I was like, oh my God, dude. I don't want him to jump.
You're good.
Because they've been missing my hook, you know? Get him, bro. I think he's like 6 pounds.
Yeah, 6 pounds for sure, bro.
7 pounds maybe, bro. Oh my God, bro.
Bro, eat.
Oh my God, bro. Look, and he missed it too, like the other ones, bro. They're all, bro.
7, 8 pounds.
Bro. Oh my God, dude. I can't believe I ain't got a scale. At least 6.5, about 7, bro. If I had to guess, bro. His stomach.
Yeah, I don't know. It's dark right there, but look. It's dark, no?
Oh, yeah. Matter of fact, here. Get a pic of me in the river with this thing, bro.
All right, put your level up. Let me just get it. Yeah,
I want that motherfucker like.
that looks way better, bro.
Like. Man, no scale.
Think of them, dog.
Oh my God, bro. You gotta hit that same little spot, bro. Here.
what-
Yeah, that picture's good. Come on, big dog. And there she goes. All right, quick little update. We've been here for maybe an hour, maybe less. I've caught 4 or 5 fish. It was, I mean, you guys seen it. That thing was like 6.5, probably 7 pounds, just being modest on the weight. But yeah, me and bro have not been here in over 10 years. Decided to take the John boat out, man. And by the looks of it, we're definitely gonna be coming back a little more. Kings River, it's on fire right now. Let's get it. Where I'm supposed to be throwing a regular frog. I'm gonna get bit on this one. I really should be having a different one with some flash on it, because I don't believe this is giving them enough drawing power. Got him. Yeah. Yep. Oh, it came up. No. It's a channel swing. Work it. All right, guys. Quick update. Bro's got a double willow chartreuse and white spinnerbait. It's got 1 bite. Couldn't connect. It's pretty much what I'm using is I don't know, like a 1/2 ounce spinnerbait, triple blade. I think I need something a little brighter, because every fish I've caught has been hooked outside the mouth. Whether I caught it after they bit it and let go, or whether they just missed it and I hooked up on them. I don't think I got the right color, but yeah, we're just pretty much fishing channel bends, trying to go off of the clues we've been given. Pretty much little current breaks, any little points that come out. But yeah, we're gonna keep on going, try to get bit again. Most productive zone was definitely the beginning, so if we don't get bit in the next stop or two, we're gonna head back, maybe do some frogging, because by that time I'm pretty sure the sun will be up a little higher, so we'll see how it goes. I mean, it's gonna be, I got permanent marker in my backpack. White's a little crazy. Green I could deal with, but even at that, I freaking paint that too. But I think it's all in your head. Oh my God, bro, you see that? Follow up, bro, with your flipping bait. Oh, bro, that was a good one, dude. Come back, really back, more, right there. Oh, I knew it, bro. I knew it. God damn. Oh my God, you see what I'm saying, bro? This is a good spot, bro. This is a good spot. There's fish here. Got it. Oh no, I got him though. We'll find out. Oh yeah, baby. That's decent, bro. Like 3-pounder. Boom, baby. Should have missed him too, but got him. Nah, he probably like 2.5, bro. Oh, we're in the zone, bro. This is the zone. 3 hits. Yes, sir. Got it. You're not getting off. Not on my time. That's a good one. Like 3 pounds. The average in here is pretty nice though. Look at that. That's a 3 for sure. Yup. What y'all think about that though? Textbook. And hit that little other side. No, oh my God. Y'all spent enough time there already. Right there, hit in that same spot I did, bro. I missed that little line of cast. I missed it. Right there, run it, run in that pocket. Stop, pop, pop, pop. Damn, bro, punch it. Damn, that one had seen a frog before or something, dude. They're getting smart, dude. Like they swerved mine a couple times too. Huh? Nah, the black's more. Oh, he hit it after I went by it, bro. Missed him, no! Damn, bro, I stung him off. He showed me he was there. Oh, I messed up. That was brutal. God, every opportunity too. Oh my God, dude. Oh, damn near thought a fish tried it. Got, bro. Bro, ain't nobody doing this but you, bro. You've had so much hits now, bro. I'm like mind boggled that you're missing that many, dude. Tried it, big ass one, bro. You shit. Oh, is that a boat up there? Oh, hit it. Got it. Bro, you just, come on, bro. Bro, I know. Hell yeah, bro. I told you, I was like, man, Lancerat, bro, that's a good one. Watch, 3+ pounder. Damn, bro.